Okay, let's go undercover and have a look around the greenhouse. Bit of a mess, but there's also bits of change going on here. So let's have a see. Starting off in the corner, this is where I used to have my seed shelf staging thing, which I've moved to a different position now, and that's opened up quite a bit of space, which I can now use for putting pots and stuff in. And next year I'll incorporate it all the way down the side. But what I've got here is a frame on this side with cucumbers and stuff in the bottom. Unfortunately, the cucumbers aren't doing too well, so they look as if they're going to be dying off, which is a shame. But I am watering. I've got my water system was working. I'll best check that it's still working, although it needs to be topped up. And this is where I've moved the frame to. So as you can see, it's standing where the water butt was last year. On the other side, I've got my toms in. They're doing okay. Yeah, and some peppers in there as well, which are also doing okay. These are all planted on the 1st of April, all sown. There's one that's died back. I've got spares, as you've just seen, so I will be planting that out and tying these up later on. And then there's this corner which I'll be clearing out, and again using it for pots, and moving this bit around somewhere. Right then, now let's have a quick spin around the polytunnel, see what we've got going on there. Alright then, it's a bit of a mess at the minute because I'm still sorting things out with it and using it, but we've got, well, we'll start off here. See, although that mad panic sowing has come through and a lot of the stuff's come up to a greater or lesser extent, and yep, I will be doing a lot of pricking out and a lot of planting out later on. Along here we've got various cucumbers. They're doing fine in here. This bed here is empty because I've got the trombone squash to go in. And then we have watermelon, which seems to be doing okay. So that's that side. We'll pan around. We've got sweet corn. I want to see what it does like inside. Sweet peppers, chili peppers, and a couple of melons. And then along that side we've got all my tomatoes, but I think it's got too hot for them yesterday, so I'm going to have to sort that out and get the air flowing through here. Oh, look how warm it is, 37. It got up to 44. Yeah, I definitely have to sort out the ventilation in here. Just starting to drop down a little bit. Yeah, so I definitely got to sort that out today.